4 apps to make money by sharing your internet. Are you aware that you can earn money by selling internet bandwidth for passive income? We have summed up a list of a few applications to sell your internet bandwidth. 1. IPRoyal. IPRoyal is a relatively new website that few people are aware of. Although several bloggers claim it is the best website for selling internet bandwidth. They pay 20 cents for every 1 GB of shared data. 2. Honeygain. Honeygain is a handy and excellent web service for selling internet bandwidth around the world. For every 10 megabits of data you share, you get 1 credit. 3. Peer-to-Profit. Peer-to-Profit is yet another fantastic peer-to-peer bandwidth sharing network. Every month you can make $6–75. Remember, the larger your network, the more money you'll make. 4. PacketStream. Another well-known website for selling internet bandwidth for money is PacketStream. It's also a peer-to-peer home proxy network that allows users to share bandwidth similar to a peer-to-profit. Conclusion. We hope you find these tools helpful in making money as a passive income by sharing your network bandwidth. All of these sites are free to join, so pick one that suits you. Download the application you want and follow the setup instructions to get started. Thanks for watching.